Are you two-term or one-term?
We need Matiang'i to come up with a manifesto.
Yeah, to tell us this is what I'll do.
Yes.
Alternatively to what William Ruto is bringing on.
Yes.
Let people express themselves.
People should have their opinions expressed.
My name is Abel Mokwa. Thank you so much for subscribing and following the videos that we do here. Ladies and gentlemen, today here I'm having one of the leaders from the Gusii region, a young man who is going to give us insights about the Gusii politics. Thank you so much, brother, for creating time.
Yes, bro.
Please introduce yourself to the people.
My name is Boniface Onchagwa Monyenye. I come from Kisii Central Ward. Nyaribari Church constituency. Here Kisii County 045.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you are when mkaji wapo?
Mimi ni mkaji wa town.
So siasa hii area you understand everything very well.
Inside out.
Thank you.
Yes.
At least you know one thing that the Gusii community needs are the people who can be able to talk sense to the people.
Sure, sure.
And when I went through your pages, I was so much impressed because of the type of content you are passing across.
Yeah.
And that's why we are here today.
Yeah.
Please let's pump these things to people.
We are going to pump it injection.
First of all,
yeah.
First things first. Yeah. Are you two-term or one-term? How are you there?
That's very sensitive.
It's very sensitive. Sure.
Okay, but you know, as a leader of Bunge la Mwananchi,
okay.
I don't want to like take a side for now, but of course, being Kenya is a democracy. Yeah. I also have my right to be wherever I want. Yeah.
So for now, you'll just hold it.
For now, I'm just looking at these guys. What are the opposition bringing us? What new are they bringing us? Yeah. But apparently, there's nothing new from even the opposition.
But I can tell. Listen to them. Bado hawajajipanga.
But there's nothing new. Yeah. It's they are talking about their numbers. Waweke watu pamoja. They bangle people. Kwa tribal lines. If we continue with the same script.
And that cannot be a change in this country.
Where?
We need to have issues coming up.
For example, if you tell me, ni support to Matiang'i, because I'm a Kisii. Hiyo ni change gani nimeleta?
There's no change.
There's no change.
We need Matiang'i to bring his agenda on board.
We need Matiang'i to come up with a manifesto.
Yeah, to tell us this is what I'll do.
Yes.
Alternatively to what William Ruto is bringing on board.
Yes. You cannot tell us that William Ruto is one term, but to pay agenda.
Sure.
You get? Yeah, so there are things we look at.
And you know, you've said a very sensitive thing there. You are a Kisii.
Yeah.
If Matiang'i goes there and fails, we have all failed. So we need to make him actually be a change so that we at least walk around boasting. We brought someone who made a change.
Yes. That's why I talk about David Maraga. You know, the Maraga is someone who has principles. Yes. You get? Like when you see his campaigns, he tells people, I don't have money to give you.
I'm not doing kusera.
Actually, we are the ones who are supposed to even contribute to his campaign. To these campaigns. You see? But sasa wengine tu ni kurushia watu pesa peke yake bila agenda.
So first thing, Matiang'i should organize and brand himself and bring his manifesto on board. That
is what we want.
So right now, where would you make decision? Paka lete.
I mean, you make decision.
Good.
Actually, I'm a member of UDA. So far, I've not resigned from UDA.
From the outlook of things, Matiang'i or Maraga?
To me, because Matiang'i has had a position before.
Yes.
He was interior CS. Yeah. And there are things that happened when he was interior CS. Number one, he disobeyed court orders.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and we need someone who can
respect the rule of law.
Uphold and protect the Constitution. There is nowhere the Constitution says that you disobey court orders.
But he has come out to deny a number of times.
And he cannot deny. It's in the public domain. Oh, okay. It's all over. It was in the news. Yeah.
At some point, Matiang'i was tough, by the way.
He was very tough. Yeah, you need to be tough when you are interior CS, but then you need to respect the rule of law. Yeah,
because I think the same spirit during that time was passed to this regime as well.
Yes.
Where we had an inspector of general police acting, disobeying the court.
Gilbert Masengeli.
Yeah, he disobeyed the court. Yes. That was not okay.
Those are some of the things that we are talking about.
That's true.
Yeah.
I agree with you.
Na mimi hata kwa hii serikali ya William Ruto, mimi kitu kubwa nakosoa serikali. Hata kama mimi ni member wa UDA. Killing young people, that one hiyo ndio hatutaelewana. That one,
let people express themselves.
People should have their opinions expressed. You know, Article 32 of the Constitution. Everyone has a freedom
of expression.
No, that is a belief, opinion, and thought.
Okay.
Article 32.
32
of the Constitution.
Yeah, sure.
You get? Yeah. So everyone should express his opinion freely.
Freely.
Yeah.
So even in last year, when we had demonstrations, if the president could have listened to the youth,
yes,
he could not have. People could not have died.
First, you see, there's a finance bill that led to all those things.
All those things.
Yeah, and the president had NIS, Argon intelligence. Yeah?
And he knew this is dangerous.
Yeah, it was. Ilikuwa kila mahali kwa social media, watu wako against the finance bill. You get? So the best thing the president should have done, angesikiza kwanza, Wakenya wanasema nini, because power belongs to them. Yes. Hiyo ingine ya wabunge kupitisha finance bill, you know it's power we've donated to them.
Is this true?
So if we tell them we don't want this finance bill, all the things we want maybe checked, improved pale ndani, they should have listened.
Okay.
Hatungefika kwa streets. Yeah. Lakini sasa tulifika kwa streets, young people were killed.
And that is very wrong.
And that's very wrong. That's the only issue I have with the government.
So far as we speak, just to take you to the question I had, you feel Maraga is better than Matiang'i?
Yes.
That's what you feel?
That's what I feel.
But do you think now Maraga can manage the current political terrain in the country?
Now that's a major problem as a country.
Yes.
Yeah. You know, sasa unaona kama saa hii Wakisii sasa wanajibango kwa Matiang'i, sisi ni Wakisii. Juu Matiang'i ako pale juu hiyo the political scene. Unaona? Wakikuyu wanajitenga hapa sijui Rigiji, unaona?
Ya Kalonzo.
Unaona Mount Kenya East pia wanasema tunataka kutoka hivi. Unaona? So sasa katika hizo harakati unapata watu kama David Maraga wenye hawana hiyo tribal card. Wamepotea katikati.
Yeah, sure.
Unaona? People could have been our leaders. Watu wenye wange implement katiba. Kenya, we only need someone who can implement the constitution.
Now look at this.
Yes.
Personally, I think the person with the best personality, it is Maraga.
Yes.
And I would like him at some point to get a chance in this country.
Yeah,
but now looking at the years, the age, he has advanced.
Yeah.
First, second of all, even if you want a change in the country, it cannot be once.
Yeah,
it's a gradual thing. The thinking we have right now, it is good. But it cannot happen now, considering the dirt within the political terrain.
Yeah.
So I feel personally, that's my opinion. And you know, on times we converse. We are talking here.
Yeah.
I felt like then at least Matiang'i, Maraga is a better person in terms of personality. But when it comes to the political thinking, the person, the bulldozer guy, it is Matiang'i. What do you think about that?
You know, Matiang'i is not even a politician.
He's not a politician.
Yeah.
But he has a mentality.
But because he's been, how can I put it? Because unaona amekuwa interior CS na alikuwa kama hiyo akiwa hata akiwa minister of education.
He was still,
unaona hizo vitu alikuwa anaenda kama kwa mashule, makamera zimemfuata, unaona? Sasa Wakenya walimuona sana.
Walimuona sana.
Unaona? Na kukifika ile maneno akiwa ICT. Alikuwa ICT CS at some point.
Yeah, at some point. He started from ICT.
Yeah.
He took us from analog to digital.
There are good things he's done.
Yeah.
Kuna vitu pia amefanya. Kama hiyo kutoa watu analog to digital. That's okay. That's very much okay. But so hiyo ndio ilifanya Matiang'i akaonekana zaidi. Unaona? But pia Maraga tungemuona kwa ile ku nullify the presidential election. It was a bold move.
It was a bold move. He was not alone. It was, you know, he could have said no. The other judges to say no.
Yes. No.
And eventually you find it was not maybe probable to nullify. But based on their collective thinking, they were able to nullify the election. But now when it comes to having a change in this country, let's look at Maraga. He was in charge of the judiciary. And a number of times, judiciary has been ranked as among the most corrupt entities. So Maraga in his capacity, he did not still initiate changes on that. So can we trust him to fight corruption in the country? Okay,
you know, he could not do it alone.
Yes.
There is a body that is mandated to fight corruption. ESCC. Yes. It's not Maraga who was given that mandate of fighting corruption, though he had the responsibility.
He could have set up a system.
He had the responsibility, but then the body that fights corruption, graft.
It is also itself, it's corrupt.
So you see, that's the problem.
Itself, it's corrupt.
It's corrupt.
So you realize that even if you make efforts,
you can't do it alone.
It won't work.
Yes.
But I wish Maraga would have made efforts, Ikatai.
I hope, okay, that one I'm really not sure. whether he tried to put up any system.
Me, if I'm given a chance for Maraga and Matiang'i, I could fight for Matiang'i, then he brings in Maraga on various aspects.
Yes.
Certain positions. Like now, this one here, see, apewe. Abiwe now mzee.
Pia hiyo ni sawa.
Shikilia.
Pia hiyo ni sawa.
Because I feel from my side, yes, Matiang'i is not an angel.
He's not.
But there are things he could have done before, which may give me some hope. Like now when he turned around the education system. You know, education system was a big cartel.
Yeah.
Because you could see the schools that we used to produce A's are schools owned by powerful families in the country.
Yeah, sure.
To finish them until you have 2 A's from 400, it was not an easy thing.
Yeah.
So there's some effort he can make to streamline our system.
Yeah.
If I am told to vote, if that's the guy is at the ballot, I can vote for him. Basically on that. But when it comes to Maraga, I feel he can work with Matiang'i very well. So if I'm asked what they can do, wakuje pamoja.
Position.
No, they agree. Wamwambie Matiang'i hii staki. Na hii Maraga hii staki. Aya leta yenye uko nao mzuri na mimi mzuri. We make something to work. Now they form a formidable team towards the national elections.
Yeah.
Because as much as these people are, there's democracy, we need unity of purpose.
Yeah.
Sindio?
Yeah.